Copyright Fair Use Notice titled 17 U.S. Code Section 107 through 118 of the Copyright Law. All media in this video is used for the purposes of review and commentary for fair use. All footage and music and images used belong to their respective copyright owners. All review material is meant for all ages and are looked at from an adult analytical perspective. Viewers under the age of 13 should not watch.
Salutations, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. We have a special guest joining us today. It is the lovely and awesome Otaku.
Hello.
We're doing a special recording today on the voice actor for Cybersix's birthday. They were born on August 21st. This actor is multi-talented because they've been in things like World Trigger as Yuma Kuga.
0.6 seconds?
Okay, what do I do next?
In various Inuyasha properties as Miss Higurashi. Shout out to the MLP boys, gals, and all and everything in between. They were Spike.
I've tried everything. Poultices, soup, what made of soup.
That's right, bronies and Pegasisters. They were Spike, everybody's favorite adorable, lovable simp of a dragon. If you know, you know.
They were also Shampoo in the original Ranma 1/2.
For any Death Note fans, they were Nier. They were in Powerpuff Girls Z as Ken Kitazawa.
In Dragon Ball Z, they were Puar, Chiaotzu, Marin, Android 19, East Kai, and Trunks.
In Martin Mystery, she was Shell Dubois and Sophie.
Both of which appeared in the Doppelganger episode and looked remarkably like Diana.
Very
in
annoying.
Mega Man NT, very annoying, yes. In Mega Man NT Warrior, Kid Grave. In Hamtaro, they were Snoozer, Pepper, and Marianne. They were on the Cramp Twins as various roles. And they were Russell in Once Upon a Forest.
Played Garcia Fernando Lovelace from Black Lagoon.
And Brunhilde in Thor Tales of Asgard. So this voice actress has been in many, many roles, probably touched a lot of childhoods. We wanted to personally thank you for voicing Cybersix. You brought a lot to the role. This character is awesome. You did a wonderful job, so thank you so much.
Indeed, thank you so much for being this wonderful, sassy character.
But we're gonna jump on in.
Well, Taco, shall we take bets on wondering how that little song today? My money is on who's gonna get crushed again.
Yeah. Or get blown up again.
Blown up, crushed, maybe squash.
Okay. Pause. Okay, today we're watching episode 6, The Bluebirds of Horror. At the end of the episode, I will be doing the fun facts and trivia portion of the episode. So if you're interested in that, fingers crossed you enjoy. Hit the like button, subscribe button, comment down below, feed the algorithm overlords, and here we go.
It's so peaceful, so quiet. What's gonna happen? Who's gonna get attacked? What's gonna come popping up out of nowhere this time?
Day 1?
What? Day one of what?
That's a lot of bluebirds.
Birds.
Nah, I've seen Albert Hitchcock's The Birds. I don't trust this. I don't trust this.
I don't
I don't
trust it either.
trust this.
Especially that scene.
Yeah. No. No.
No, no.
Where's the sense of humor?
I knew it. I told you all. Ooh, I don't trust this.
I don't trust birds, flock of birds to begin with.
Especially not
They're called a
this.
murder for a reason.
If they start doing this, run.
No, no,
getting the
no,
flamethrower.
It's the birds.
That's
It's
what
the- I told you.
flock of birds is called a murder for a reason.
This
can't
is
hear
why women have a bit of an advantage over men. A woman, it's not unusual to find a can of hairspray on her. No offense, Otaku, I'm not being sexist. And all you
find
need
hairspray on
is
me.
a can of hairspray and a lighter. And you've got a flamethrower.
No, I can't. No, I watched The Birds. I watched Hitchcock's The Birds back in high school. I don't trust those little beady-eyed sons of bitches.
Same famous. That's why a flock of birds is called a murder for a reason.
I thought that was one specific. Was it ravens or crows? I think it was crows are the murder, ravens are unkindness.
Cheers!
Who cares? It's called a murder.
reason. That's never a good thing.
It's
Doesn't care what
crows.
type of bird it is.
Anyway, moving right along.
Nah, see, if I wake up tomorrow and I see a shit ton of birds sitting like this, I'm coming after the creators of Cybersix.
Refill?
So, what's with all the static?
Don't know. It's been like that all morning.
Yeah, just my luck. The football quarterfinals start tonight. Murphy's Law, right?
It's because the birds are on the
Honey.
friggin' telephone
Feels like-
It's the
poles.
birds, sweetie.
I...
Also, honey, you don't know Murphy's Law.
Yeah.
I know
What's up
Murphy's
with
Law.
that?
We also know Milo, so we really know Murphy's Law.
They sure seem tame.
Oh yeah, tame
No,
alright.
nah.
Real quaint.
Nah. No.
It wouldn't be a
Day
problem.
2.
Ew.
Nah, not this day one. No, I'm reminded too much of Legend of Zelda Majora's Mask and the birds. That's not a good thing. This is both of that merged together.
Oh yeah.
Good morning to you too.
Wait, what? Oh God! Close the
And
window!
that window shut.
Close the window!
It's the birds.
Nope, nope, I can't do it. I told you I couldn't do it.
Deja vu.
Oh hell no!
I swear we've seen this before.
World.
They're controlling the bird. Do you know how little that narrows down?
That sound did not belong to that bird.
Cybersix, I know an easy solution to this. Get your brother.
No, ma'am, don't you dare!
Coming.
She's dead. She's dead. They're dead.
Yeah, I swear to you, I've lived this moment. This exact
Oh,
moment
hell
I have
no.
lived.
Hell no.
The birds start destroying stuff, start a fire. Like,
Well, don't tell us.
no, I haven't seen this series, but I know what happens.
This is the birds all over again.
This is major deja vu for me. It always follows
This is
with a
major
headache.
danger for me.
A broom? Get a freaking gun!
Oh, come on!
Bird! Oh no! No, no,
This
no, no,
really
no, no,
is
get
the birds.
What the
Yep, there's no bottoms to those things.
He's dead.
Where is
No.
Data 7?
If Data 7, he's about to have a feast.
Well, that explains the static.
Two little bluebirds sitting on a hill. One named Jack and the other named Jose. And Jose is about to take over Meridiana for daddy.
Can you not say that? God!
That sounded so wrong.
There's a bird in that thing.
Father?
Of course you will.
I can barely see you.
Then turn off the relay broadcast accelerator.
Oh, right.
That's better. How is my plan progressing?
Perfect as usual, Father.
Excellent. With the bluebirds wreaking havoc among the citizens of Meridiana, I will soon have them and Cybersix under my thumb. Jose, I believe we can move to the next level.
Then it's time?
Yes. Go to level 2.
Right.
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
You will broadcast my declaration of conquest.
Got it.
Remember that the accelerator controlling our birds must be switched off, or else its signal will overpower the television signal.
I'll make you proud, Father.
So how much we want to bet he's gonna forget?
Oh,
You
he's
better
gonna
get back in
forget
there.
already.
See me? I'm grabbing the bird and I'm squeezing till it stops flapping.
That many?
Yeah.
Well, usually once you spill the blood of something like a bird, they leave you alone.
See, the problem with that is a friend of mine told me, with the memory that birds have, they remember that shit. And because of that, they pass it down to their children.
Yeah, remember 911 King?
True. But if they're already attacking me, I'm defending myself. Pop goes the birdie.
You better not leave any survivors.
In the words of the Queen of Fables,
Fables,
remove the bloodline.
feed them to your brother.
Ready, folks? It's showtime.
Citizens of Meridiana, an army of birds now control this city, and tomorrow at midnight, their ruler will become your supreme leader. Anyone who resists will suffer the consequences. By midnight tomorrow, Meridiana will have a new supreme leader.
A techno.
Huh? Cybersix. How'd you get here without being attacked by all those crazy birds?
Well, there were no birds out there.
Man, I was just out there. And look!
Oh, are you badly hurt?
It's okay. Go out there!
I think I just figured it out. Von Richter must be controlling those bluebirds somehow.
Airwaves. Cybersix. It's all starting to make sense. Someone just took over my television signal, right?
Yeah?
When you left your apartment, you didn't see one
She loves
single
him
bird
so
out.
much.
Really, she does.
Airwaves to control them.
Good work, Sherlock.
Hey, you're not going out there again.
Since all the birds are affected by it, we have to find out where that television signal is coming from.
What? Always have something to bludgeon someone with in your house. And I don't mean a broom. A metal baseball bat is a good one.
Some say golf clubs.
Cybersix. Are you all right?
Thank you, Lucas.
Huh?
Somehow I've got to get to the transmitter,
It would need to be at a high point in the city.
but I can't go out there.
What to do?
And we only have until midnight tomorrow.
You only make time go faster. Soon, my precious. Soon.
There it is.
Everything's ready to go. They're still out there. Would you like to do the honors?
All I can say is, just hope this works.
Me too. In here.
Need some help? Sometimes it takes two.
Yeah, way to save his masculinity.
Yeah.
Oh, not sewer.
Well, when the sky's your enemy. Now seriously, where's the predator that eats birds?
For a muscular looking dude, he ain't got no stamina.
Though it can't be easy to breathe sewer air.
True.
It's locked from the outside.
He's got it.
Here we go again.
After you.
Good sir, you might want to start hitting up the gym.
What to do?
I'm sorry, all I can think is dude, you just got served from squirrels in my pants.
But
Yeah, and he's starting to like
worried
it.
about you.
Don't. But Lucas, I'm glad you care.
Okay. I got a question.
What?
What?
How did he get pizza delivered?
If that's been on all night, how the did he get that?
Yeah.
Microwave?
That was in a box.
And with a soda.
That was delivered. How the
Well, if they're controlling the birds, he can send out for pizza. He just doesn't have them get attacked by the birds.
I was eating off a gold plate.
Why?
choke? Die! Damn it!
So close. Window is open.
Sir?
I just hope this works.
Oh, it's a trap.
Don't have much time. remember, be careful.
Like, why am I being careful of appetizers?
Because there's more of them than there is of him.
True.
Catch me if you can, you bunch of feathered turkeys.
Chicken nuggies.
Like I said, more of them. Ooh, that tail whip. Oh, I get it.
Oh!
How did he slip?
Yes! Go for it, Data 7!
Move it, big man!
Good work, Data 7. We did it!
Not quite.
Buddy?
No! Here we go again! Sorry, Data 7. I'm all out of tricks.
Then run for it!
Now what?
Get in your car and run them over.
Or a bus. A bus works too.
Here I was, thinking about getting a pet budgie.
Shame she doesn't have explosives. Boom, boom.
It's time to pull the plug on that little monster.
Please do, by all means.
I can't fail now. In just 1 hour, Father will be supreme ruler. Even Cyber Simpleton can't stop me now.
Oh, he almost seems too happy to tell the truth.
Cybersix, how did you get here? Huh?
What the
Bird.
To my birds! Stay away from my machine!
Honey, she ain't gotta touch your machine just to make your...
Quiet, please! Gee, I'm trying to do something important here!
Dummy, I wouldn't do that if I were you.
That did the trick!
Data 7, you made it!
You have claws!
What was up with that wobble sound?
Your luck just ran out.
Chew him up. Spit him out.
Correction.
Oh, no, wait.
Your luck just ran out.
What the f***?
Bird.
Bit of Mothman, but this seems a bit expensive.
This doesn't look good.
Kill the kid! Kill the kid!
Like, normally not one for poisoning yourself, but Data 7, go bite his head off.
Take a bite! Or cook it.
Well, those would be some huge chicken wings. Great, now I want fried chicken wings.
There we go. Save the pussy!
You think you won, don't you?
Care to prove me wrong?
Once I work the bugs out of this, I'll be back! I'll be back!
I hope you won't.
Oh, yeah.
Now, they missed a comedy opportunity right there. Could have had the door shut and him run face first into it.
Sadly, I doubt he's that dumb.
I'm glad you're here, Lucas. Thanks for helping us.
Hey, what are friends for?
You realize there's a whole bunch of birds trapped in
I'd love to.
there.
Lucas, we have to quit meeting like this.
I still hate. I don't know how I felt about this one. I really don't know how I feel about it.
Too many birds.
Exactly, way too many birds.
Okay, well, obviously with the trivia, the concept of birds wreaking havoc on a town is similar to the film The Birds, directed by Alfred Hitchcock. Lucas Amato says the line, "Would you like to do the honors twice?" The first time at 11:49 minute mark, which he sort of mutters, and then the second time at 22:28 minute mark, which is placed more appropriately. So that was Blue Birds of Horror. Thoughts?
Too many birds.
Was very Alfred Hitchcock.
Way too Alfred Hitchcock.
Well, maybe you'll enjoy the next episode, titled Brainwashed.
Oh no.
Oh, good grief.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
No.
Yes.
But that's for later. We'll see you all when that episode comes.
Sorry, not much trivia on this episode. It's straight up an The Birds Alfred Hitchcock-esque parody. I think it's done very well. My cohorts may disagree on the rating, but for me, I think they captured this premise very well, both with the animation and the imagery. So I'll give it a 5 out of 5.
I'll do 4 out of 5 just because there was no actual damage done by the birds.
That we know of.
That can be shown on television, because this was 2000s animation. You know, not much they can show on TV. This was back in the day where blood was a no-no. If it was robots, fine. If the monsters turned to green goo and vanished into the ether, totally fine. Old grannies can pull out a laser machine gun and open fire, totally fine. Wait, what? But Otaku, what would you give this episode a score of?
3.
3 out of 5?
Yeah, nothing really happened and there was too many birds.
Same here. 3 out of 5. Way too many birds and not much.
It's like there was an explosion, but...
Alright then, till next time, ciao everybody.
Bye.
Bye.